Illness is a disease or period of sickness affecting the body or mind. Health is defined as the state or condition of being in good physical and mental health. Being healthy should be part of your overall lifestyle. Living a healthy lifestyle can help prevent chronic diseases and long-term illnesses. Chronic and aggressive diseases are commonly incurable. In this Alaya Darshan, Sri Paramjyoti would bestow remedy for chronic diseases. Miracles multiply when witnessed, read, heard and shared. Share your miracles with others to receive more miracles and earn Satkarma. As you listen to the miracle and attend the Alaya Darshan, miracles would happen in your life too. Listen to this miracle carefully before we enter the temple. In July 2015, I faced a very panic situation. There was a deep pain coming from my back towards my shoulders, neck and finally brain, making me unconscious, slow and weak. My heartbeat was high and I was totally feeling uneasy. I did not know what to do. I prayed and slept the whole day. Next day, I had to rush to an emergency because I was nervous. Upon checkup, they found increase in uric acid level above normal in my blood. I didn't understand the cause. I was referred to consult rheumatologist after 7 days. I had too much fear because I never wanted to get any chronic disease at such a young age. I was depressed and my performance at work was affected, which was not good and couldn't make me sustain longer. There was higher chances that these symptoms were related to arthritis. With complete suffering and surrender, I started taking 21 minutes Diksha every day. On the day of appointment with rheumatologist, I was asked to do a series of blood and other tests to identify the real issue. Besides that, I was continuously taking Diksha. When I visited the doctor again for test results, he told me that there's no sign of inflammation or rheumatic condition in my body. It's just my uric acid is high due to weight gain and unhealthy lifestyle. He suggested me no medicines but some exercises and healthy food. I was so happy to know this and thanked Sri Paramjyoti. I continued my Diksha further with clarity in my prayer, and in 1 week my uric acid level came under normal range, though it was at higher side. Today, it's completely normal and Amma Bhagwan has healed me totally. I have witnessed that the Diksha has a great power and it always helps me when I am in trouble. Thank you, Shri Paramjyoti. Paramkaruna Paramjyoti Alaya Darshan. All manifestations are our manifestations. Paramkaruna Paramjyoti. Mahavakyas of Paramkaruna Paramjyoti. Be considerate and compassionate to those less privileged than you. Today's teaching. Relationships are index of one's life. Sri Amma Bhagavan. Today, we are going to have the darshan of Sri Vedagirishwara Temple, Tamil Nadu. Focus on ringing bells in Namaskara Mudra. It synchronizes the left and right hemispheres of the brain. Prayer for Iham, to cure chronic diseases. Prayer for Param. Everything is a process. Mooladhara Chakra activation. Today, we are going to focus on Mooladhara Chakra. 4-petaled lotus, red in color. Kundalini, the golden snake, is coiled 3.5 times around the black linga in the center. It is located in perineum, midway between the genitals and the anus. As we focus on this chakra, it would bestow stability. Receive the puja grace when the conch is blown. Express your gratitude to Paramkaruna Paramjyoti. Participate in bhajan.
ॐ सच्चिदानन्द परब्रह्मा पुरुषोत्तम परमात्मा श्री परंज्योति भगवती समेत श्री परंज्योति भगवते नमः। ओम नागेन्द्रहार कृतकुण्डल भूषणाय ब्रह्मेन्द्र विष्णुवरदाय नमः शिवाय। श्रीमत्प्रसन्न शशिपन्नग भूषणाय शैलेन्द्रजावदन चुम्बित लोचनाय कैलासमन्दर महेन्द्र निकेतनाय लोकत्रयार्तिहरणाय नमः शिवाय। पद्मावदात मणिकुण्डल गोवृषाय चन्द्रशेखर 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 पाहि मां। चन्द्रशेखर 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 रक्ष माम्। शरासनं रजताद्रिशृङ्ग निकेतनं सिञ्जिनीकृत पन्नगेश्वर अच्युतानन सायकम्। क्षिप्रदग्धपुरत्रयं त्रिदिवालयैरभिवन्दितम्। चन्द्रशेखर माश्रये मम किं करिष्यति वै यमः।
कुण्डलिनी आरोहणम् कुण्डलिनी आरोहणम् कुण्डलिनी आरोहणम् कुण्डलिनी आरोहणम्
महेश्वराय ओंकाराय विश्वेश्वराय तु योगेश्वराय महेश्वराय ओंकाराय विश्वेश्वराय तु योगेश्वराय तू ही है परमेश्वर तू ही है जगदीश्वर तुझको ही हमें
Golden Age Movement upcoming programs. Join Sri Bhagavan Live every month for 81,000 Diksha Yagna living in a higher consciousness. The next class is Saturday, April 25th. Contact your organizers for more information to be part of the 81,000 Diksha Yagna only for registered members. Every day read enlightenment experiences and miracles to help your enlightenment, posted directly by Sri Bhagavan by joining the Telegram group Family of the Great Compassionate Light. Thank you for joining us.